Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Secret Coder. In this video, I am going to solve apple and orange problem at HackerRank. So the question, I already read the question. So at first, you need to read the question and then please continue this video for coding solution. So let's start coding. So S and T. At first, you need to take it from user. Input and split it on the basis of white spaces and convert it into integer of s and p. After the s and p, a and b the initial position. So and split it on the basis of white space and convert it into integer of a and the integer of b. Then m and n is equal to input, and we don't need to split it on the basis. And first array is array 1. So suppose array 1 here 1 is equal to int of x, and for x in input dot split, and we need an array 2 for the first array and the second array. So array 2 it is done, and count a and count b, count underscore a is equal to 0 and count underscore b is equal to 0, and for and we can do another thing is x plus a and plus b. Okay, and for I in array 1, if I is greater than equals to s and r is less than equals to t, then count underscore a plus is equal to 1, and we need to do this same thing for second array 2, and for I count b, and at last we need to print of count a, and we need to print out the count b also. So let's run the code, and congratulations. So public test case is done. Submit the code. Okay, so this is done. So our second question is Kangaroo and HackerRank. So we need to solve this question. So this is another very easy question. So we at first you need to read the question, and we need to is a conditional statement only. Write one conditional statement if v2 and the same question v2 is greater than v1, or sorry, if v2 is greater than or equals to v1, or x2 minus x1 mod of v2, so v1 minus v2 not equals to 0. Then we need to print that there is no possible cases, no, and else we need to print yes. Okay, so we need to print yes. So just run the code. Okay, processing. Okay, so just submit the code for the private test cases. Okay, so done. Okay, that's all for this video, and I think this is enough for this video. I think you like this. If you like this video, then please do subscribe and do like this video, and please do share this video with your friends. Thank you and goodbye.